Hello, hi, this is MdMahfujur Rahman. Welcome to DBA tutorial. Today we will learn about startup and shutdown process in Oracle Database. The startup Oracle Database startup, it is a normal database operation. Means there is three options. One is shutdown mode, no mount mode, mount mode, and then open. There are four options. You can say that this starting up Oracle Database instance mode is create in a process. So we see how this process works, or how this process work properly in Oracle Database. So for these changes we will see, and we will learn about different startup mode in Oracle Database in this video. And then our next video you will learn about shutdown mode, different shutdown mode in Oracle Database. So now run your SQL Plus and slash login in a sysdba, just slash as sysdba. I have connected, sorry, slash as sysdba. I have connected my sysdba option. Now I would like to shut down my database, and then I will start up in a different mode. So for the for shutdown, just write down in a SQL Plus shutdown immediate. This shutdown, I will in my next video I will discuss about this shutdown immediate process or another shutdown mode. Now I will just discuss in this video the startup mode. Shutdown immediate, just enter, and now the Oracle Database will shut down immediately. You cannot connect in any user or any schema for your approve. Just try to connect in HR/HR at the rate Oracle. Unknown command HR the rest of line ignored. You are not connected with the database. So for this you have to start your database, and after that you can run, or you can log in your user or schema. clear screen. So now I would like to, at first, the no mount option. The no mount option is instance started in this option. The Oracle instance has been started in a no mount state. So just write down startup no mount, startup no mount. And now the database Oracle SQL will declare a system global area and fixed area and variable size also, and database buffer cache and redo buffer cache. In this mode you can edit or recreate your control file, and you can recreate or you can create another database in this mode. So in this mode mainly you can do two things. One is you can create a database, another database, and in this area you can edit or you can recreate the control file. Nothing else you cannot and now nothing else you can't do in this area, in this mode. So you have to, after this, at first the shutdown immediate, then startup no mount, and then the startup process is startup mount. So for startup mount you have to, in the database is a no mount option, so you have to alter this database in a mount option. So for this you just write down alter database mount. Most of the DBA function or activities is done in this area, this mount option. You can edit your TNS, you can edit your parameters, parameter size, and you can also edit here the table space name. All of DBA things mainly can work here in this area, the database mount option, because most of the time people do not want to stop their database, so they just go to the mount option and then edit their any changes. So this is the mount option. Here you can edit or manipulate different kind of DBA activities. So now the database is not already open, so for this you have to alter your database from mount to open. So write down only alter database mount open. Now this is the open, the database is open, and you can log in your user or in your any schema. Just for this select all from hr.employees. See the changes. Now I can log in my database, and I have got my employees 107 rows in employees table. So this is how a startup options are the Oracle database startup options mode you can say it. There is a four options or four sequence or four steps to start a database. And one is at first you have to shut down your database, then no mount, startup no mount in where the instances is started. I will discuss about instance in my another video, what is instance and how instance works, how many areas or how many components in an instance area. So now I'm just discussing about the starting up by startup option of Oracle database instance. One is at first shutdown mode, just shutdown mode. Then first step is you have to shut down your your database. Then startup no mount, then startup alter database mount, then alter database open. In open mode you can do anything. You can log in any schema or any user, and database open. But in these two here, the no mount and mount mode is only for DBA purpose or DBA activities. So you cannot do anything without editing, without sysdba. You have to, if you want to delete, if you want to change the parameters or any kind of DBA works, you have to go to this no mount or mount mode option. Otherwise you can, in an open database you cannot do anything. You cannot do anything or any works, and it will harmful for your database. So thanks for watching video. I have you have understood about the startup sequence of Oracle SQL, the Oracle database. One is at first you have to shut down your database, then startup no mount, then alter database mount, and then alter database open. These four steps, when you write down startup open, all the start no mount database mount option will works automatically or in a background process. They just do these all things. So thanks for watching, and subscribe my channels, and for the next videos connected with my tutorial, and I think you will understand about the simple and silly contribution of DBA as a DBA in a database. You can learn about that. So thanks for watching, and